Welcome to Bhopal Sir's chemistry session. This is the video on chemistry from Bhopal Sir's career point in the chapter organic compounds containing nitrogen, covering the topics basic nature of aliphatic amines. ଏହି ଭିଡିଓରେ ଆମେ aliphatic amines basic nature ବିଷୟରେ study କରିବା. Before going to the basic nature of amines, we must have to know which compound is said to be a base. As per Lewis concept, a substance which can donate a pair of electron is treated as a base. Lewis concept अनुसार जे गोटे पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करि परिबो से बेस रहिबो. As per Bronsted-Lowry concept, the substance which can accept a proton or expose ion is treated as a base. आमे नॉर्मली जानि छु एसिड और बेस पई तीनोटी concept अछि. Bronsted-Lowry concept, Lewis concept and Arrhenius concept. For a compound to be a base, according to Arrhenius concept से कोन हवा कथा से गोटे OH माइनस दे परिबा कथा. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept से गोटे एक्सप्लोजन नै परिले से बेस हो. According to Lewis concept से गोटे पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करि परिले बेस हो. In case of aliphatic amines, why it is a base? It is a base according to Lewis concept and Bronsted-Lowry concept. Why? In all types of amines, nitrogen possesses a lone pair of electron which can be donated and can accept a proton or expose ion. So they all behave as bases. जेहेतु से माने गोटे लॉन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन देई परिबे एवं गोटे एक्सप्लोजन नै परिबे तेणु एमाने समस्ते बेसेस हिसाब रे ट्रीट हेतांती. Comparison of basic nature of different types of aliphatic amines. Due to plus-I nature of alkyl groups, aliphatic amines are stronger basic than ammonia. Alkyl group of plus-I nature पाई ammonia अपेक्षा aliphatic amine रो अधिक basicity होता है. As a result of electron releasing nature of alkyl group, the electron density on nitrogen atom increases, which facilitates the donation of the pair of electron. Nitrogen जो one pair of electron ammonia पाखरे देई पारुतला जेतबळे amines पाखरे ता देखु electron releasing a plus I nature alkyl group लागिबे सेतबळे electron density nitrogen atom ऊपर बढ़ी जिवो जा पर तार electron pair donation करिबार कैपेबिलिटी बढ़िबो आउ तार बेसिसिटी aliphatic amines to ammonia to अधिक है. Now, as the plus I nature increases from primary to tertiary amine, the order of basicity should be as follows. Tertiary amine is more basic than secondary amine, is more basic than primary amine, is more basic than ammonia. जेहेतु प्राइमरी रू टर्शियरी amine पर्यंत प्लस आई इफेक्ट प्लस आई ग्रुप संख्या धीरे धीरे बढ़ी बढ़ी जाए तेणु अमोनिया टू aliphatic amine तो बेसिक हवा कथा तांको भितर टर्शियरी amine सबटू अधिक बेसिक हवा कथा. But it doesn't so happen. In between different types of amine, the actual order of basicity will be as follows. Secondary amine is more basic than primary amine, is more basic than tertiary amine, is more basic than ammonia. ई मानक मध्यरु tertiary amine secondary एवं primary amine to less basic होता है. Now the question arises, why the tertiary amine is less basic than other amines although it contains 3 plus I groups. The tertiary amine is less basic than other amines due to the following reasons. Reason 1, steric effect. Due to steric effect in tertiary amine, the attack of an acid is hindered. Explosion सहज से आसी पारिबो नाही एवं lone pair of electron receive करि पारिबो नाही. As a result, tertiary amine is less basic than other aliphatic amines. The second reason is solvation effect or hydration effect. When tertiary amine is dissolved in water, it undergoes minimum hydration or solvation due to the formation of hydrogen bond only with water molecule. So it is less basic than other aliphatic amines. In case of secondary amine, ये water molecule तो दीटा hydrogen bond करिवो In case of primary amine ସେ ତିନୋଟି ହାଇଡ୍ରୋଜେନ୍ ବଣ୍ଡ କରିବ and so on. So due to steric effect and solvation effect, the tertiary amine is less basic than other aliphatic amines. Let us consider its basicity with aromatic amines. Ethyl amines are stronger basic than aniline. Now why? Why the aliphatic amines are more basic than aniline? Due to conjugated pi system in benzene ring of aniline, the lone pair of electron or nitrogen atom is distributed within the ring in the resonating structures. Due to unavailability of lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom for donation, aniline is less basic than aliphatic amines. ଏଇଥିରୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆସିପାରେ, ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆସିପାରେ. Describe the basic nature of amines. Why aliphatic amines are more basic than ammonia? Explain your answer. Or why ethylamine is stronger base than aniline? କେବଳ ଆମକୁ ଏଇ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସରଟିକୁ ଲେଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. ଏଭଳି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ର ଆସ୍କିଂ ମୁତାବକ ଆମକୁ ଆନ୍ସର ଲେଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Bhopal Sir's Career Point. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching it for the first time. Don't hesitate to ask your doubt and give your suggestion in the comment box. I must respond to your comment.